Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about one and onto function, and it is very important for you. So one and onto function. The same function is called bijective function, or we can say bijection. So first we define it. A function f from set A to set B is said to be 1 and onto if it is 1 and onto both. It means, just clear it. If alright, a function f from set A to set B is a bijection if it is, how many conditions are there? That is, first one is if the function is 1. That is, we can say for all fx1 equal to fx2, it must imply that is x1 is equal to x2, and here x1 and x2 are the elements of no. This is the criteria for 1. Second one is for y to be the element of B, that is codomain. There exists its pre-image in which set? In A, such that image of x equal to y, or we can say that is pre-image of y is x. So this is the criteria for a function to be a bijection. It means at a time that function must be 1 as well as onto. If out of 2 it is 1 but not onto, then again it is not a bijection. If it is many 1 but it is onto, then again it is a not bijection. It means to be a bijective function, it must satisfy these two criteria. For example, if I write this function, that is, this is A and it is B. Here function that is A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, image of that is 1 and it is B is 3, C is D is 4. Yes, it is what? 1 and 2. But in case when I take this type of function, that is A, B, it is A, B, C, it is 6, 5, 9, 7. Then A, then it is 7. So it is what? Not onto, therefore not a bijection. Since here element 5 do not have its pre-image in A, that's why it is into function. Next example, if we take this function, that is A, B, here that is 2, 4, 6, then what? 8, such that here x, y, z, then image of 2 is x, image of 6 is also x, it is y, it is z, then it is what? Many one. That's why not a bijection. Since to be a bijection, it must be 1, 1 and 2. That's why it is a bijection. If anyone is missing there, so it is not called a bijection. If any function f from set A to set B is a bijection, then here it is required, that is number of elements in A must be equal to number of elements in B. If number of elements in A is taken as P, number of elements in B is taken as Q, then number of 1, 1 and 2 functions from A to B is equal to, now if that is P equal to Q, that is a part of the criteria. If both are having same element, so the total number of bijective functions is P factorial. In case there are questions P is not equal to Q, so by that property we write there is no a single bijective function, that is number of bijective functions are 0. In case when domain and codomain are same, that is f is a function from A to A such that number of elements in A equal to P, in this case number of bijective functions from A to A is equal to P factorial. Very simple. Now we are going to take some questions, that is so that the function f now totally depends on its domain and codomain. It may be bijective function for set of real numbers, may not for natural numbers, may not for integers. So we have to see them seriously. Let it is R to R defined by fx is equal to 3x minus 5 is a bijection. So for solution we are required to show it is 1, 1 as well as and 2. For 1, 1 we use the criteria of 1, 1, that is 1, 1. Criteria of 1, 1 is let fx1 is equal to what? Fx2. It means images of two elements of what? Its domain, that is R, that is domain. It implies, now if here x, so it is 3x minus 5, here we put x equal to x1, then we get what? 3x1 minus 5 equal to, similarly we get 3x2 minus 5, adding both sides 5, we get 3x1 equal to 3x2, and when we divide it by 3, then we get x1 is equal to x2. Therefore we can say f is 1. Now next one is, that is onto. What? Onto. For onto we start, that is let y be any arbitrary element of R, that is codomain. So if there exists its pre-image in the domain of the function, then again set of real numbers, then we say it is what? Onto function. Otherwise it becomes what? Into function. So what's about the criteria to show it? Its criteria is, we start from what? That is starting from y. And what is y? Y is equal to fx. And fx is given 3x minus 5. So from here we get y is equal to 3x minus 5. And here we are required to solve x in terms of y. It means we may write x is equal to, it become y plus 5 divided by 3. Since for all y to be the element of real number, there exists x in R, that is domain. Therefore, f is onto function. Why so? Since what is y? It is real number. When we put any real number at the place of y, we are going to get x as a real number, and which is domain of the function. That's why f is 1, 1 and onto. Therefore, f is 1, 1 and onto function. Therefore, f is a bijective function. This is about bijection. Just take next question. So that it is so that the function f from set of natural numbers to natural numbers defined as images of all those n is, since natural numbers divided into two parts, even and odd. That's why we write if n is odd, then its value is n plus 1 by 2. Second one, if n is even, then here it is given n by 2. So this is the question. Images of those all natural numbers which are odd, that is plus 1 divided by 2, and if it is even, then directly divided by 2. Is many one onto function. It may be directly given, prove that it is many one onto function, or if it is given, check the given function is bijection. We have to proceed in the same way. It means we have to check 1, 1 and onto. If both are there, then it becomes bijection, otherwise not a bijection. This is the function. So we start from here. We have, if it is not 1, 1, then we are required to contradict. It means we have to raise the contradiction. So here I write f, that is 1. It is odd. So that's why we have to use this one. It is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2. We can take any odd number, 1, 3, 5, and accordingly we have to choose for second. It is 1. Also f of 2, it is actually even number. So it is 2 by 2, it is equal to 1. Here we get f1 is equal to f2, since both are equal to 1, but 1 is not equal to 2, therefore f is many one function. Next one is, that is onto. Let n be any natural number, that is a codomain. Then it is either even or odd. So that's why there arises two cases. Case number 1, when n is odd. When n is odd, then any number into what? 2, that becomes what? Even. Then it is minus 1 is odd. In case when n is odd, then it is also. So in that case, we write 2n minus 1 is equal to, we use this definition, so it is 2n minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, and it is equal to n. Again, case number 2, when, or right here, case number 2, case number 2 is when n is even, then 2n is also even such that image of that is 2n is equal to 2n by 2. Here we are required to use this definition and it comes as n. Therefore, for all n to be n even or odd, it means for all the element of its codomain there exists its pre-image in n, that is what? Domain. And this is actually the criteria of onto function. Therefore, f is onto function. So f is many one onto function. Okay.